Hello everyone, welcome to mathematics tutorial. So today we will discuss about composition of functions. So the composition of function f with g is denoted by the composition of f with g of x equals f times the quantity of g of x. So the domain of the composition function f or composition f with g is the set of all x such that x is in the domain of g and g of x is in the domain of f. So for example, number 1, given f of x equals 4x minus 5 and g of x equals x squared plus 4. So find letter A, the composition of f with g of x. Letter B, the composition of g with f of x. So let's try to solve this problem. Number 1, letter A and letter B. So in order to solve for the composition of the given function, first tingnan natin yung formula. So letter A, we have the composition of f with g of x. G of x equals, formula niyan is f times the quantity of g of x. Next, we need to find the given. So ang given ng f of x is, kasi una ito, so we'll find the value of f of x. So ang f of x natin is 4x minus 5. Then you need to replace x by the value of g of x. So replace, so ang value ng x nito, okay, i-replace lang natin sa value of g of x. So magiging 4 times anong value ng g of x? That is x squared plus 4. Then that is the value, ito na yung x natin, ito yun, itong x na natin, ito x squared plus 4, that is the value of g of x. Then subtract 5. Next, i-distribute natin. So 4 times x squared, that is 4x squared. Then 4 times 4, that is 16. Positive 16 minus 5 equals, simplify or combine like terms. So that is 4x squared plus 11. Okay, so ito na yung value natin. So thus, the composition of f with g of x equals 4x squared plus 11. So i-replace lang natin yung value ng x sa value ng g of x. So for letter B, we have the composition of g of x, g of f of x equals g times f of x. So again, kung anong nauna dito, that is the kopyahin natin yung value ng g of x. So g yung nauna, so ang value ng g of x is x squared plus 4. Then i-replace natin yung, so si x, itong si x equals, magiging 4x minus 5 na yan. So equals, i-replace natin yung value ng x sa value ng f of x. So that is quantity of 4x minus 5 raised to 2 kasi may exponent plus 4. Then simplify, 4x minus 5 raised to 2, that is equivalent to 16x squared minus 40x plus 25 plus 4. Then equals, combine like terms, so that is 16 x squared minus 40x 25 plus 4, that is positive 29. So ito na yung sagot natin. So next, another example. So if f of x equals x squared plus 3x and g of x equals x minus 2, so find and simplify the following composite functions. So ito, unahin natin ito. Una, f, composition of f with g. Okay, una ito equals f times g of x. So yan, equals, ano yung value ng f of x? So ang value ng f of x is x squared plus 3x. Then i-replace natin yung value ng x sa value ng g of x. So si x magiging x minus 2. So si x, so that is x minus 2 raised to 2, ito, that is the value of x, plus 3 times, ang value ng x is x minus 2. Then simplify, x minus 2 raised to 2, so meaning you need to multiply by itself. So x times x, that is x squared, then x times negative 2, that is negative 2x, negative 2 times x, that is negative 2x, plus negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. Then simplify, x squared minus 4x plus 4. So this x minus 2 raised to 2, equivalent yan sa x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then ito distribute, plus 3 times x, that is 3x, then 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6. Then simplify or combine like terms. So x squared negative 4x plus 3x, that is negative 1. So that is negative x. Then 4 minus 6, that is negative 2. So thus the composition of f with g of x equals x squared minus x minus 2. So that is number 1. And number 2, we have the composition of g of f with f of x. Okay, so that is g times f of x. Again, i-write lang natin yung value ng g of x. So ang value ng g of x is x minus 2. Then replace the value of x by the f of x. So si x magiging x squared plus 3x, ito na value ng x, ito, then subtract 2, then tanggalin natin yung parentheses, so that is x squared plus 3x minus 2. So ito na yung final answer natin. Then example number 3, we have this one. So number 3, we have the composition of f with f of x equals f times the quantity of f of x. So again, equals, ano yung value ng f of x natin? So that is x squared plus 3x. Then you need to replace the value of x with, again, the value of f of x. So si x magiging x squared plus 3x raised to 2. So ito na yung value ng x natin. Then ito yung exponent plus 3 times x squared plus 3x. So, ito na. Ito yung value ng x. Ito yung 3 natin. Then simplify. So x squared plus 3x times x squared plus 3x that is equivalent to x raised to 4 ito times then x squared times 3x that is 3x cubed. Then 3x times x squared that is 3x cubed plus 3x times 3x that is 9x squared. So simplify that is x raised to 4 plus 6x cubed plus 9x squared. So this one is equivalent to x raised to 4 plus 6x cubed plus 9x squared. Then ito distribute natin ito, so plus 3 times x squared that is 3x squared, then 3 times 3x so that is 9x, then simplify or combine like terms, so x raised to 4 plus 6x cubed then 9x squared and 3x squared that is positive 12x squared plus 9x. Ito na yung final answer natin. Then last, number 4. So we have ito, decomposition of G with G. So that is G times x equals G times G of x. Again, the value of G of x is x minus 2. Then, i-replace lang natin ulit yung value ng x dito sa G of x. So, that is x minus 2. Ito yung value ng x natin. Subtract ito. Minus 2. So, that is x minus 2 minus 2. So, that is equivalent to x minus 4. So, ito na yung final answer natin sa decomposition of G with G of x. So, that's all for today. Ingay.